Driving is a privilege, not a right. Yan ang laging sinasabi ng instructors ng driving schools. To drive a car requires skills and responsibility, pero minsan nakakalimutan natin ito. Sa dami ng bad, lousy drivers na nakakasalubong natin sa kalsada, whether private or public vehicle, hindi maiiwas sa babangga sa daan. What should you do if you get into a car accident? Number 1. Stop. Never drive away from the scene of an accident, even a minor one. People will think you are the culprit. Number 2. Protect the scene. You can prevent further accidents by setting up flares or keeping your flashers on. If the car lights won't work and it's dark, have a flashlight to keep yourself safe while waiting for help. Number 3. Call the police and file a police report for claims at the insurance company. The vehicles involved in the accident should remain where they are unless they interfere with traffic. Number 4. Make an accurate record. When the police arrive, tell them everything that happened. Make sure statements made by the other persons involved in the accident are accurate as well. Number 5. Take pictures. Use your phone camera to take photos of the accident to assess the damages. Number 6. Exchange information. Both parties in the accident must exchange information: name, address, phone number, license, etc. Number 7. Report the incident. Notify your insurance company as soon as possible. Many policies require immediate reporting and full cooperation. Find out if you have medical benefits as part of your insurance coverage. Number 8. Seek medical attention. Have a checkup whether you're injured or not. Number 9. Keep a file. Keep all your accident-related documents and information together. This includes a claim number, the claims adjuster who is handling the claim, names and phone numbers of all contacts, receipts, and other expenses incurred in the accident. Number 10. Know your rights. The most important thing you should do after an accident is to consult a lawyer to protect your rights and make sure valuable evidence is not destroyed. Often, insurance companies want to take statements immediately after an accident. It is important that you have received legal advice before providing a statement.